Hi, my name is Chavi. Today we are going to see how to create work folders in Windows Server 2016 and how to access them using Windows 10. So, this is my domain controller or my Windows Server 2016. This is my server manager. On server manager, I will install the role of work folders. Add roles and features. Next, next, next. File and storage services, file and iSCSI services, work folders. Add features, next, next, install. This installation will take about 5 to 10 minutes. So, as you can see, my installation succeeded on londc1.adatum.com. Close. I'll go to file and storage services, work folders. To implement work folders, I'll have to create a sync share task, new sync share. Next, here I'll specify a path. First of all, I'll specify the server and then I'll specify a local path where I will create a file share. Next, now as you can see, I'll specify the folder. Right, so since this path is not there right now, so it will be created automatically. Now, here I can specify that how a user will use to access the work folder. Will they use their user alias or user alias at domain? Name. Now, here I can write down or give access to the groups to access work folders. Let's say give to domain users, domain users. Okay. Next. If I want to automatically lock screen and require a password or I want to encrypt work folders, I can specify the options from here. Create. This will take about done, close. Right. So I have created the shared folder. Now we can see in the file explorer, we might have this folder created in the C directory. Right. We have the shared folder. Now since nothing is here right now because no one has till yet accessed these work folders. Now, now, since the connection of work folders is always an encrypted one, so the connection is done over HTTPS protocol. So, to implement the HTTPS, we'll have to provide with a certificate. For that, I'll go to IIS Manager, Internet Information Services. This is my server. Sites, I'll go to default website and I'll go to bindings. I'll bind this particular server with HTTPS. Type HTTPS and from here I already have a certificate created. So I can choose the certificate. I can view the certificate from here. Okay, close, done. You can close this. I have done that. Now I have created the work folders or I have implemented it on my server. Now I'll go on my client or my Windows 10 and will access the work folders. To access the work folders, I'll go to setting control panel, system and security, work folders. Now to set up the work folders, click here. Now I can have two options here. Either I can use my email address or I will enter the work folder's URL. So I'm using the URL right now. My server name londc1 dot adatum.com and HTTPS since it's a secure connection. Done. Work folders location. This is my location for this particular user. If I want, I can change it. Next, right? I'll need to accept these policies on my PC that it will be encrypted. We'll need a password to sign into the PC and erase all files in the work folders if I lose this PC. I accept these policies, set up work folders. Close. And so I can see that automatically on my Windows 10, I have my server or I have my work folders. And this is my control panel. Go to File Explorer and my work folders are here. Let's go to the server side, LonDC1, and let's try to access File Explorer here. PC, C, share. Right, so we can see because on LaunchCL1 I was signed in as the administrator, right? So the use work folders for administrator has been created on the server side. Now, let's just create a sample folder or a file on my LaunchCL1. I'm on my client machine, and we'll see if it gets synchronized on the server. Work folders, I click new test. This is work folders demo. Let's save this. Close. So I'll right click and I can sync from here, sync now, or I can go to the control panel and I can sync from here, sync now. Synced. Let's go to the server and we have the test file here. This is my lo local disk C, share, administrator, and test file. Right, so we can see that how we demon how work folders were implemented.